Hello, Joe. This is Jordan Krizik. I just got done watching your in-service presentation. I thought your slides were very informative, and the pictures slash GIFs really added to the information. Uh, Kept me uh, engaged the entire time. I really enjoyed your ineffective assessment slide. You were able to directly show how some educators structure their classes when teachers are just looking at the state assessments as a pre-indicator of how they're educating their students. Those are not effective classrooms. We need to be teaching improvement to the whole classroom about mental and physical health, respect, preparation, and the content area for future success. You follow that up with tips to improve those areas, like grouping students accordingly to their ability, understanding social economic background, and the students and community. Overall, you gave a great presentation. I will look to make the present. Overall, you gave a great presentation. Just one thing for the future, I'd look to make the presentation within the 15-minute time window. But the information was very informative, so I understand why you went over the 15-minute time slot. But again, great job, and thank you again for sharing.